Do you know the 10 skincare mistakes people make and how you can fix them? Okay, let me break it down. Maybe you are struggling with your skin and nothing seems to work. Maybe you are doing one of these mistakes. In this video, I'll be showing you the 10 common mistakes you might be doing. Stay connected and watch this video to the end. Okay, so the first mistake we do is overwashing of face. This is one of the most common mistake we do. And okay, let me break it down. How do I mean by overwashing your face? Maybe some of us think that once you wash your face, it becomes cleaner. But the truth is that you are damaging the skin barrier, stripping away the natural oil, and you're also disrupting the pH balance of the skin, which is leading to dryness, irritation, and also acne. So how are you going to fix this? First of all, have a good gentle cleanser. Then wash twice a day. That is, wash in the morning and also wash. Then second is sleeping with your makeup still on your face. Oh God. You see this one? This one will make you have a very dull skin fast. In fact, maybe you came back tired. You don't even have the strength to maybe clean up your face with cleanser. But you are causing breakouts on your face because this can clog your pore. You see this makeup? It can clog on your pores and can cause breakouts. In fact, before you know it, you're having a dull skin. Mistake you guys do is copying others' routine. You see this one? I'm talking to you. You do this one a lot. In fact, let me tell you one thing. Skin type differs. I'll drop a link on the comment section on determining your skin type. So do well to watch that video in order to know your skin type. It will help you to determine the type of skin you have and also to purchase the right product for your skin. Mistake you guys do is popping on pimples on your face. That is, you pop pimple always on your face. You see me, I do this one. I cannot deny it though. I did this one. But you see, it's wrong. Do you know why? Once you start popping pimples on your face, it spreads those bacteria all over your face. But this takes time. Before you know it, you're having pimples and acne on your face. So, in fact, not only that it will spread bacteria that will even cause more acne or pimples on your face, it will also leave you a scars on your face that will even last long. So how did you fix it? Get a good acne treatment product that contains benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. In fact, leave your face to heal naturally. The next mistake you easily do is using body cream on your face. In fact, we all do this. I can generalize it. You easily make this mistake. But let me tell you one thing. The skin on face is different from the skin on body. You see creams. Creams are heavier. They have fragrances which can easily clog on your pores. So using cream on skin on your face might cause you breakout. For those of you new here, I welcome you all to my channel. This is Wayne's Aesthetic Channel. In this channel, I educate you guys on skin matters. I do recommendation and I give you guys reviews on skin products. So if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, give it a thumbs up. The next mistake we do, and is the sixth mistake we do, is using scrub daily. You see this one? It tears the skin barrier. In fact, exfoliating is good, but too much of it is. So I advise you treat your skin gently. Scrub maybe twice in a week and also handle your skin like a baby. Next mistake you do is keeping sunscreen. In fact, sunscreen is very important. Do you know why? Because sunscreen is like a shield to our skin. It protects our skin from UV rays, which can easily damage our skin. And I made a video concerning the best sunscreen you can use. So the number 8 mistake you guys do is remixing products. Okay, let me break it down. Maybe in the morning, after exfoliating your skin, you now jump into using serum, maybe vitamin C serum. After applying vitamin C serum, you apply retinol. After applying retinol, you also apply your Koji cream. You get, and you also use a sunscreen. You see, this is bad. In fact, doing this kind of combination is very bad. You are causing damage to your skin, and this can easily lead to sunburn, irritation, or even breakouts. Serious one. Using too many treatment products, maybe in the morning, is totally bad. So how can you fix this? In fact, in the morning, you can use, after cleansing, you use your toner. After using your toner, you can now use your serum, maybe vitamin C serum. Then you can apply your moisturizer, and now goes the sunscreen. At night, first of all, use a gentle cleanser. After cleansing goes your treatments such as the retinoid, the tretinoid, the niacinamide also. Then after that, you now use your hydrating serum, after which comes your moisturizer. So in this way, you are preventing irritation on your face, and you are making the product works better. So again, is not using moisture. You see this one, you see the oily skin type, you're on this table because you guys avoid using moisturizing, but you are wrong. Do you know why? Because you see those products you are using, those tretinoid, retinoid, niacinamide also, in fact they are causing dryness, but you don't know. So, and your body lacks water, so need to hydrate your body by using moisture. So please try and get a good moisture for your face as an oil. This last mistake on our list, but you see this one, man, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked on this one. In fact, you see this one is something that you will not even think of, which is what? Ignoring diet and lifestyle. Okay, let me break it down. In fact, if you are not eating balanced diet and you're not taking enough rest and also taking enough water, in fact you are lacking. In fact, your skin is lacking. It might be one of the main problem you are having on your skin. In fact, you are meant to eat the balanced diet and also meant to drink water very well, and also sleep and reduce stress. Sleeping 6 to 7 hours per day and also reduce your stress, and you see your skin coming back to normal. You see yourself glowing up. So guys, here comes the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share this video, like, and see you on my next video. Thank you all for your time.